Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel to be a new minister?
Well, I feel honored and privileged to have been appointed to this position by Mr. President. And I give thanks to Almighty God and to give thanks to Mr. President for this distinct honor.
Okay, so now you're going to a very familiar terrain. You've been in this for more than 30 years. So what do you think will be the immediate task before you as you assume office?
Well, one of the major immediate tasks that we are going to address is to attempt to restore professionalism to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs by addressing what I call internal systems and processes and the policy framework aimed at strengthening the institution of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, restoring the working methods, decision-making processes in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, addressing the issue of morale of officers so that the ministry can retake its place in the decision-making process as far as foreign policy of Nigeria is concerned, pushing, as it were, the vision and agenda of Mr. President.
Okay, you have a minister in the office that you're going to work with. How does that partnership work?
Oh, excellent. I am pleased to note that in my previous position as Senior Special Assistant to the President of Foreign Affairs, we had worked very, very closely together. We are communicating almost on a daily basis. We are exchanging views and perspectives on Nigerian foreign policy. So I see this as an opportunity to deepen those existing collaboration and partnership with a view to achieving a common objective, like I said, of professionalism and advancing Nigerian foreign policy in the most efficient and effective manner. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.